So yan Sir Alan, no? So kagaya ni Julieta, yung mga metal included na yan.
And the metal louvers.
Ito yung magiging space mo pa rin sa likod. Then nasa side yung ating dirty kitchen or service area.
Yes, so every houses dito sa, especially here in the Philippines, are really fond of having a dirty kitchen.
Yes. Lalo na dito, Sir Alan, pwede mag-multitask talaga si si wifey. Kasi ang kanyang washing machine is here, pwede siya magbanlaw while cooking.
Yes.
So parang napaka-convenient talaga.
Exactly.
So magkatabi na siya.
So as we've entered the house, so you will be greeted of course with your living area,
Yes,
which is
sir.
again fully furnished. Yung deliverables natin dito comes with the sofa, with the curtains, with the cove light ceiling,
Yeah.
diba?
So yun, gaya ni Julieta, open layout din siya, Sir Alan. Spacious na spacious.
Mm-mm.
Parehong-pareho na sila. So yun lang talaga yung sa front, yung pinagkaiba.
Yes.
Same with the Julieta, Sir Alan, 6-seater tayo sa ating dining. Yung ating lanay, doon. And
You have an
ating
access.
formal kitchen.
Mm-mm.
So may mga storage.
Even the blinds kasama.
Yes, Sir Alan. Kasama
And
yan.
even the, of course, air condition,
Aircon, the
pendant
lights are
lights,
included sa previous na.
pin lights.
Yeah. So, same, meron din siyang mga pull-out trays.
Sir Joni, how about this? Kasama kaya tong mga fruits na to?
Pwede, sir, yan. Talagang, ano yata yan? 20 per kilo.
Yan.
So, ito yung mga stories.
So, ayun, pinaka-favorite ko talaga yung mga storage na
Yes, sir.
inclusions niya kasi lalo na sa mga OZ dyan,
Oo,
yung, di ba,
tama.
gusto nila very organized talaga
Very
yung
organized.
mga gamit nila. So, you could really make use out of or make the best out of it, di ba?
Talaga, sir. Kasi dito talagang mas ganado ka mag-prepare kasi pag malinis yung surroundings.
Correct. So again, this is not only for a display or for a model unit only, but it comes with the two-door refrigerator already.
Yes, sir. Kasama na sa ating promo yan.
And even, of course, sir,
Yung
pantry.
ating mini pantry. So, may mga shelves din po yan na kasama. Then, additional meron din tayo storage at the top. So, tatlo.